Time. This is only one. Okay, who's gonna pick by eating the treat? You pick. Oh, right away, immediately, without a question. She picked. Oh, wait a second. She has not eaten the treat. Maybe she's second guessing this. Okay, she's decided. Thank you, Sunny, for your prediction. Okay, Magic. Who's gonna win? The Chiefs or the Niners? You pick. Okay, go ahead. There's a treat on both ones. Both pages. You decide which one is going to win this year. Go on. Who's going to win? Okay, the Chiefs it is. Okay, we'll see. Sunny picked the Niners. Yes, she did.